Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add chat rules so you can enter your text to require first time viewers to agree to your rules while you are streaming on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and click on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on channel and scroll down till you find the customize channel button on the right side. You will be able to see it in a second, so tap on it and then go to the left side column and click on settings, and within settings tap on moderation. Scroll down to the chat rules section. So here you can see this box to which you can type in your own message that first time viewers need to agree to before chattings. As you can see, you can add one rule per line. Here you can see the default chat rules such as be excellent to each other, have fun. You can also type in a new one like this and then click on the save changes button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.